Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into what makes a product truly stand out. Today, we're talking about the best suspenders men adjustable elastic formal classic, the Vauhse Suspenders for men. These aren't just another pair of suspenders. They're a practical, stylish, and durable option that's earned a solid reputation for everyday wear and formal events alike. Let's start with the design. The Vauhse suspenders follow a Y-back construction, which means there's a single strap at the back that splits into two, connecting securely to your pants with swivel hook clip ends. Unlike traditional clip-on suspenders or button styles, these swivel hooks are a modern upgrade. They latch on firmly, are easy to use, and don't damage your trousers. You get all the utility without the hassle. Now let's talk about the build quality. These suspenders are crafted from 100% polyester stretch yarn, which gives them both elasticity and resilience. The addition of PU leather and zinc alloy in the construction elevates the aesthetic while also boosting durability. At 1.37 inches wide, the straps offer excellent support without feeling bulky, and the length range, from 30 to 49 inches, ensures a one-size-fits-most solution. Whether you're tall, short, slim, or broad, these suspenders are designed to adapt. One key feature is adjustability. The metal adjusters are smooth and sturdy, so you can easily tweak the fit depending on your height or the type of pants you're wearing. And because they're elastic, they move with you rather than constricting you. That flexibility makes them perfect for a wide range of activities, whether you're working on site, dancing at a wedding, or playing in a school band. And speaking of versatility, these suspenders pair well with trousers, jeans, shorts, even formal slacks. Their classic black color adds a timeless look to your outfit, making them suitable for professional, casual, and even ceremonial settings. So whether you're heading to the office, a date night, a concert, or a chore day around the house, they've got your back, literally. One thing that often gets overlooked with accessories is comfort, but that's not the case here. Because the elastic is smooth and the width is just right, you won't deal with pressure marks or shoulder fatigue. That makes these suspenders a solid choice for all-day wear. And when it comes to maintenance, they're hand wash only, which helps retain their structure and elasticity for longer life. With price points starting as low as $7.99 and going up depending on the variant, these suspenders are affordable without compromising on quality. That means you can even grab a couple of pairs, one for work and one for dressy occasions. To sum it up, the Vauhse suspenders for men are thoughtfully designed, built with quality materials, and made for real-world use. Their Y-back design, swivel hook clip system, wide adjustability, and sleek look make them a strong contender for anyone needing dependable, comfortable suspenders. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense product breakdowns. And drop a comment if you've tried these suspenders or have another favorite we should check out next. See you in the next video.